So, Ngor Okpala officially has become another tourist attraction and destination. A lot of people may troop down to Ngor Okpala. Not even many of them major for the program, but they just want to go and see. And that is one of the benefits of Evangelist Ebuka Obi na Ngor Okpala, Udatala in Southeast here. Many people now know about the wonders and the transformation of Ngor Okpala. Now, bother just to go and see. For the need to invest. So, I don't know why you are trying to be in a whether in a joker or in a gummo. I will advise you and your friends, drive down to Ngor Okpala and go and see.
I'm ya say kedu ihe mere that short video ji wee kwuo that na Ezugo na video. Mgbe Ezugo kwuo that okuru ya by mistake. Don't worry na the complete video and kunu fokwa ka the environment ji dey because no nwere ha na-ekwu ebe a na-ezo ezo. 2 days ago, Akozayon posted this write up. Also kedu nke na-emezinu. That na ndị mmadụ ejikwa na Zion nwana upon na 100 days elube. Si biko si do sakwali ya oche. He was never bluffing when he made that speech, when he wrote that in that post here. So una for them na attack Ezugo say na nka no Ezugo no nwere ihe mego. Gwa kenne m ihe government give mego that can be able to attract international communities to your village in the last 1 year. Let us start by that one. Obunu sin ụfọdụ na-akọ na comment section say oburu church ka yeli oburu so nka ngwa gwakene m ihe government akwụno si no mmadụ bụ government. Finally gwa na ihe government unu metego that can be able to attract willingly without advert, that can be able to attract somebody n'obodo oyibo, London, UK, Russia, Ukraine, Australia to your village, not even the state. Obuna ha bịara ihe dịka Olo Owerri mago city center na just there for business now. Gwakame ihe government unu na your village n'ime Ngor Okpala that can be able to attract somebody all the way from the ends of the earth or about 14 to 16 hours flight to Nigeria, by extra 2 hours to Owerri. After that, obakwa moto down to Ngor Okpala. Gwame head ha. Enwere nkuni ejidaka. So sometimes for something like this, learn to celebrate it. Secondly, gwakene mu ina asị na omenala na aji ụka ogbo Igbo. Gwakene m ihe ndị dibịa niile juru na Ngor Okpala today. Emasị na nwere dibịa nọ na ya, including that efulefu asị na ọhalụ mmiri last year, God last 2 years. Unu na support say yes n'ike dị. Gwakene m after that event ahụ, kedu onye n'ime unu ọzọ post kwa that dibịa today? Gwakene m onye n'ime unu that can be able to bring out ndị omenala as big as they are. Ndị dibịa anyanzu as big as they are that did something in that community that can attract international body abịabịa cheki. Amala na gịnị me that na Igbo nwekwa na science before ndị ọcha abịa. So you utilize ya. Ebo no si na Igbo nwele nka nwe nke ọzọ, which I am not disputing. Then what laziness is stopping you people to put it into use so that it can attract visitors? Onya kami ajiwe no like this. Mongo Park we be say no yan wa discover River Niger. River Niger bụkwa nne na nna ayo ndị ancestors anyị na-ejekwa di eje akụ azụ, eje di eme things. Mongo Park pụta Mongo Park onye ọcha so na yan wa discover ya. Obu ese obodo ibebi ebe a. Ihe just je check. Kida familiar ha na aza before Mongo Park abayalia ya afa. Once ị chọtara ya, that is then your deliverance. When I got here na bro Nunga Park say no young when I na see ogo they lie to us. What then is the name of River Niger? Before Mongo Park discover ya. Kedi hon answer before. Sometimes learn to seek for knowledge. We na bro or yime everything. Also kwa gikwete na ikwetero. Zion has come to stay. Then I top on the other video and he play out to the end. Careful the massive billion naira altar. Analo, na that play then further the media setup and every other thing that is still ongoing na Zion Grand today. God one.
So Ngor Okpala officially has become another tourist attraction and destination. A lot of people may troop down to Ngor Okpala. Not even many of them may for the program, but they just want to go and see. And that is one of the benefits of Evangelist Ebuka Obi na Ngor Okpala in Southeast here. Many people know about the wonders and the transformation of Ngor Okpala. Now, bother just to go and see. For the need to invest. So, I don't know why you are trying to be in a whether in a joker or in a gum. I will advise you and your friends, drive down to Ngor Okpala and go and see. It is gradually becoming a tourist attraction. We are talking about the pilgrimage na Israel or Jerusalem or Mecca. Here we have another attraction here where people want to go and see. Now I say, go there, you will go and see the massive transformation of what is happening in Ngor Okpala. Go and cover. Go and share the news. You before you go down 5 million, lay 10 million later. Before you go down 3 million or 4 million, later 15 million later. Before you go hospital, hotel, or business outlet there. You can actually take advantage of this and go and open a mega building materials outfit there. But you are still benefiting by that presence. Evangelist Ebuka Obi Ngor Okpala. Atas no way afufu. Message is in anya today. A lot of furnitures are in a lot of things you use today. Even me in a jail, food stuff had ways in here. So, and this is what development is all about. Sad enough, Evangelist Ebuka Obi is now one of the major and the critical stakeholders in Southeast by the virtue of the presence and the economic transformation over that Southeast, Imo State to be precisely. And there is nothing you can do about it. There is no government anywhere that will not be willing to welcome him with clean hands. Billions and billions and billions of naira are passing through that in Ngor Okpala. Transactions upon transactions are going on. Money upon money, resources upon resources can a trip there. Transporters are benefiting. Business owners are, even petty business, Okada, Keke, different people are benefiting. Why are you excluding yourself? Even if you are not going there KJ for program, go down there and see what is happening. We have another tourist attraction. Ono se no na ama ife na religious tourism. Ono kana amu. E wata go. Ono kana amu. Okwa ife a TB Joshua budata na ikoto. Ndị mmadụ na-agba plane na mba ụwa niile abịa. Ọkwa nya ka Evangelist Ebuka Obi budata ala na Ngor Okpala. Ebe ụwa niile ndị be anyị nọ na mba niile ma ndị ọcha ma ndị niile ya agba plane na-abịa na Southeast just to come for, even if it is religious tourism. What is religious tourism? A lot of people now do depressed. He aseka haje obodo cattle ranch or haje America jesu ike. So somebody do mentally stressed, somebody do spiritually attacked, somebody nwelu a spiritual need coming to Ngor Okpala to come and seek for help or to come and seek for relief. It's a religious tourism. Yes, because in other words, he or she is coming for something that is going to appeal to his soul and even the body. So it is something that is worth seeing. Put out from that your hatred. Put out from that your bitterness. Irukwe Coca-Cola only igojena. Snacks only igojena. Mmiri goje nwe eba. It is still contributing to the economy and efa. So that employment in a shop have a 10 billion naira factory. Water. And I can tell you that if I don't go and they water thousands and millions of it, whether you like it or not. So take advantage of this and go there and go and see. Amana mumado ne gwaram ezugo na ha chori je Ngor Okpala ka ha je fife na eme ba many agago putakwa ụfọdụ n'ime ha ahụ Zionite, ụfọdụ n'ime ha adịghị for that program, but ote na ha nụwana maka ife a na-afịa on air ha decide ka ha gaa. Many people who make documentaries are going there. Content creators are going there. They make their documentaries. They tie na Facebook page ha. Facebook na-akwụfụ ụgwọ. It is still part of ife a na-ekwu. And many bloggers are go with Evangelist Ebuka Obi, still money in people's pocket. Say, as far as I'm concerned, na Southeast now, Zion ministry is the biggest movement in terms of economic benefit, whatever thing you can say. That is the biggest movement that is going on right now in the Southeast. The only movement that can contend with it is even that being carried out by state government, but I can't see anyone right now where even the commonest people are benefiting. The rich are benefiting, the middle class are benefiting, the commonest people are benefiting. Don't go and take advantage. Either ease your stress or invest your money, or if this is Ezugo.
Okay, beautiful people, welcome you to today's live updates on the ongoing works at Zion City, Ngor Okpala. As you can see, the beautiful works going on here. So we'll take you around on and over there, the stage is currently ongoing over here. Jesus Christ. I will keep us in here. Well done, thank you.
Okay, good video.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Can it hold on?
Sorry, I'm like this. We are uploading. My name is. I will hang here.
Just hold it, just hold it.
Okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Can you tell us your name and where you're from?
Okay, actually, my name is Chinoso Emmanuel Maduba. Yeah,
Okay.
we are setting up. We are just offloading our materials to set up sound and speaker and live and array for an event Ebuka Obi in Zion Ministry. So we are scaffold engineers and we have many scaffolders. We are just offloading our materials, but I believe that when we start up setting, we still have a video on how it go.
Okay, you guys are the
Scaffold
sound
engineers for sound.
engineer.
Yeah.
Why did it take you guys so long to come?
No, we are not even the problem. Even as we have come, we have not done anything yet.
So how long is it going to take for you to do the whole setup?
Okay, we are believing if they give us time to start up or settings,
Yeah.
we can start today.
Today?
Yeah, if we didn't start today, that means tomorrow morning. But we need to start today. We are just offloading our material, which is manual transfer of
Okay.
our material because of the nature of the grant here.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, all right. So, have you started mounting your scaffoldings and all that? Because scaffolding is the major thing.
Yes.
Before you begin
We
to
are,
mount your speakers.
we are just offloading right now from the truck. After the offloading, we start to do our setup, our foundational setup of the scaffold erection. Yeah.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. Thank
Thank
so
you, I
much.
appreciate it.
Okay, beautiful people, as you heard from our engineer, they started the offloading. As you can see, the sound equipment this afternoon is for offloading, and hopefully they will commence today. I do not know. Hey, sorry, I do not know the whole delay, but we hope they will be able to round up. They'll be able to round up, and you can see over there, the tent guys have started working as well. You can see tent has been mounted over there. one set of tents have been mounted, and another one is going on here. Another tent is not going there. So let's see. Let's take a walk. You can see. Let's go down to the tent area. Let's go down to the tent area to see. So this over here is the tent. Another tent is currently ongoing. You can see. So you can see. So, and then you can see the ground from here. So the sand will, as more sand keeps coming in, it will extend to all these areas. It will extend to all these areas. You can see the tent being mounted. So, keep moving. People have started camping already. You can see someone brought his bag over here. Good afternoon. And chair rangers or chair maintenance have started coming on ground for the arrangements. So there's a whole lot of work going on here. There's a whole lot of work going on here. We are yet to hear from the LED team. As soon as we hear from them, we've heard from the stage guys, we've heard from the sound guys. Now let's get to the LED screen guys. Not a small walk. Okay, beautiful people, let's keep moving. Let's keep moving. LED guys are a bit scared. Only God knows why they're scared. So do well to drop your question here on the comment section. So this is the prayer ground. This is the prayer ground. Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Can you tell us your name and
Jesus.
what you're doing actually?
Okay, my name is Cyril Ugochukwu and I'm an engineer, screen engineer, LED screen.
So, LED screen engineer.
Yes.
Okay.
Setups, build up, control, running, and designs.
Okay. So, when are we expecting your team to start work?
Yeah, right about now, these stage guys are taking their positions, and before 4 hours time they should be up, and then our scaffolds will be up as well, because our scaffold guys, they actually dropped their scaffolds somewhere there before, but now they are moving them all to this side. So
Okay.
by the time they're done, they'll start moving it up, setting them. Our screen can come up. Our screens we have about 600 square meters of screen in the storeroom. So once the scaffolds are ready, we use a payloader to bring them in, and then the setup can, by tomorrow, let's say tomorrow is Saturday.
Yeah.
Yeah, by Saturday everything should be up. Saturday, Sunday, thereabout.
Where are you guys going to set your screen? You mean these wooden planks? Are those your scaffolds?
Not the wooden plank. We have a scaffold.
The iron scaffold.
Iron scaffold,
But you
yes.
guys haven't started yet.
The scaffolds are coming in. Look to your left, look to your left. These are pipes
Okay, this
are
particular
pipes,
iron.
yes,
Okay,
these are
okay,
iron
okay,
pipes.
okay.
coming in. Those are the scaffolds. Once they set them, they will build them in such a way that it can accommodate the big giant screens.
So how many square meters again?
Yeah, beside the stage, we'll be building 40 square meters.
40 square
Yeah,
meters.
in 3 ways, facing the front and the back, and of course the side.
So that's 3D, almost 3D.
40, 40, 40.
Okay.
40 square meter, 40 square meter, another 40 square meter on this side of the stage and the other side of the stage.
Okay.
And then we'll build another 30 square meter in front of the stage and at the back of the stage. And then for the crowd, we are going to be placing different positions of 20 square meters each on different angles
Okay.
to cover everywhere. Trust me, we have 600 square meters, so that should be more than enough.
Ah.
Yes.
And how sharp are these?
Courtesy of Zion, these screens have never been used anywhere. They came all the way from China, and they will be unboxed first here.
Please,
So
we need
they
to
are
know
new.
once we start unboxing. We must see it because it's our property.
Yeah, sure.
It's our property.
Belongs to you, Zion.
Of
Zion
course.
is all over the world.
Of course.
Belongs to you.
Of course.
So your screens are here. They are ready. They are live in Nigeria, and trust me, by the time the crusade kicks off, you will enjoy what you watch, what you see.
Aha.
Yes.
Okay. We look forward to what you guys have to do for us, and we trust you guys are going to give us the best.
We'll give you 100%. Nothing but the best.
Nothing but the best.
Courtesy
Because
of
we don't
Zippo.
go.
Courtesy of Zipto.
I don't know what that is, anyways.
Okay, you will know it after the setup. You will know it after the setup.
Okay, all right. There's no problem. Thank you so much, and God bless you.
And you
Mr.
too.
CY.
And you too, madam.
All right. Okay, wonderful people. You've heard from our sound engineers. You've heard from the LED engineers, and also we dropped update on the stage guys as well. But keep moving. We keep moving regardless. We keep moving. The tents people have been working here since yesterday, and I'm really glad that they've been able to make tremendous progress between yesterday and today. I believe that before Monday, a whole lot would have been achieved. before Monday, a whole lot would have been achieved here at this crusade arena. Good afternoon. Bro, you are supposed to be carrying iron. Why are you carrying mats?
Okay. We went for a short break, so I just want to have some news.
Okay, hold on, sorry. Okay, I said, why are you carrying mats?
Okay, we just went for a short break, so I just want to have some rest.
Some rest?
Before we proceed again.
So when are you guys proceeding after your short break?
Let me say the next 1 to 30 minutes.
You really need the break because your eyes is even closer.
No, actually, that's how my eyes are.
That's how your eyes are. Okay. All right, thank you and God bless you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, wonderful people. These are the stage people. Good afternoon.
I told you that time.
Okay. Go on. So this here is the stage. They hawk it round. Yeah. Okay, beautiful people. So you can see stage. Unfortunately, Facebook is having a little technical glitch. We are supposed to be streaming on a landscape, but if we keep streaming on a landscape, it keeps showing portraits. So I do not, it's been a bug we've been trying to fix since yesterday. But I hope it will get better later on today. Because I prefer streaming in a landscape mode rather than a portrait. So wonderful people around the world will just kindly bear with us. So over there is the other tents. You can see over here that they've been able to raise this tent here, and they've been able to raise that tent over there. The sun is a bit quite harsh today. The sun is a bit quite harsh. But regardless, we bless God because it's better sun than rain at this current stage we are in. Yes. So when you're coming, do want to come with your camping hat or cap, whichever one. Do want to come with your camping hat or cap. Come with your fan because it gets hot sometimes here. The weather has been clement. We bless God for that. The weather has been clement. Sometimes it drizzles a little bit. Sometimes the sun is quite high, as we are seeing currently. But however, we bless God and we pray that we will have a beautiful clement weather for those 3 days we'll be having our crusade. Yes. So do want to come with your camping gears, your cap, your hat, your umbrella. Yeah. And of course there'll be shelter. There'll be shelters, you can see. Shelters are being mounted already. So on or before Monday, it should be completely done. Yes. Yeah, don't worry, the sun will come down a bit. The sun is good.
No, it's touching my brain. My brain is going to scatter.
Okay. Okay, wonderful people. We will keep giving you updates as the work keep going on, we'll have to take a little break because of the sun. So we thank you for joining us in this brief live section. Do well to drop your comments and do well to drop your questions, and we'll try to answer them to the best of our capacity. Yeah. Thank you and God bless you all.